Phrase 1. Play with someone or something. Meaning. 1. To play games with someone or a group. Example. You are just playing with me. Can't you take me seriously? Please don't play with that crystal vase. They won't play with our team. We are too good. 2. To toy with someone or something. Phrase 2. Unburden oneself to someone. Meaning. To tell someone about one's trouble or anxiety. Example. She unburdened herself to her mother. I didn't mean to unburden myself to you. I'm just so upset. Phrase 3. Come through. Meaning. To pass through something. Example. Please come through the entrance slowly. Please chain the gate up again when you come through. Phrase 4. Trouble is brewing. Meaning. Trouble is developing. Example. Trouble's brewing at the office. I have to get there early tomorrow. There is trouble brewing in the government. The Prime Minister may resign. Phrase 5. The root of the matter. Meaning. The central issue of the matter. Example. It's about time that we got to the heart of the matter. Alright, this is the crux of the matter. Phrase 6. Inch one's way across something. Meaning. To creep slowly across something. Example. The little green worm inched its way across the branch. It inched itself across the leaf. Phrase 7. Tilt something back. Meaning. To move something so it leans back. Example. Alice tilted her chair back and nearly fell over. She tilted back her chair and relaxed. Phrase 8. Put the make on someone. Meaning. To attempt to seduce or proposition someone. Example. Are you putting the moves on me? I think he was beginning to put the make on me. I'm glad I left. James tried to put the hard word on Martha. Phrase 9. Blow the joint. Meaning. To get out of a place, usually in a hurry or without delay. Example. They blew the joint about an hour ago. Come on, let's blow the joint before there's trouble. Phrase 10. Hit the brakes. Meaning. 1. Lit. To step on a vehicle's brakes hard and fast. Example. I came around the curve too fast and had to hit the brakes immediately. 2. Fig. To stop something. The project seemed to be getting nowhere, so we hit the brakes before too much more money was spent.